Minister of Enjoyment, Intercontinental.
Guys, I just left work now and I'm heading to the store to get few gifts to be Santa for the moment. You know, now I've not gotten any gifts for the kids yet, so I'm just heading to Morrison's. I'm at the hospital and there's a Morrison close by, so I just want to head to Morrison's to check out their gift aisle to see if there are things I can get from there. If not, I'll go to the Range or Tesco, anywhere to get those gifts. So yeah, I've just finished my shift and I'm heading to Morrison's now. I'm looking for a dress for Ivana. I've not got her any dress yet. Something nice. Really nice. I don't think it's nicer than this other one. See that one there. I have two options. This one or this one. This one is her size, but this one is a bit small. It's small. If she wears it, if she just wears it now, it's going to pass her. Or should I get this one? Oh, see. Which one? I think I'll just take this one. Though I prefer this one. I prefer this one. I really I love this one. But I think I'll just have to go for this one.
Do you wish to continue? Please place your bags in the bagging scale and touch done when finished.
Kitchen standing for the past 3 hours, and it's annoying me because I have shifts in the next 2 hours, or let me say 3 hours, and I'm not done. I just finished making fried rice. The kitchen is in a mess. I've just finished making fried rice and I'm making jollof rice. I made pepper meat. So I just want to marinate the chicken, which I'll just marinate it and maybe we'll roast it in the next 2 days. But I want to show you people something. For those people that used to say hard chicken is the best, I don't believe in that. I feel like if you cook your chicken well and spice it well, you enjoy it. So those people that used to say this one has more taste than this one, I will not lie, I've not tried it. So I want to know what it tastes like. I'm going to use one marinade for the 2 chicken. I bought one hard chicken. Let me show you. I bought, this is the soft one. I mean, this is the normal one, and this is the hard one, and this is the hard one. So tell me why I'll use my money to buy this chicken now that is so bony. Number one is bony, is hard because it's sweet. I want to understand now. So I'm going to use one marinade to make the 2 of them, to see what it's going to taste like. Jollof rice has so much, it's really too spiced up. Like, see, it has too much ingredients in it. I have to boil another rice to add to it. Yeah. So this is the jollof rice I've been making, and this is the fried rice I made so far. Yeah. So this is the hard chicken and this is the soft chicken. So you can imagine that this one is double the price of this one. Tell me why I'll go and waste money to buy this one when I can just buy this one that has more meat. Okay, people should just tell me, please, I need to understand. No, it's until Boxing Day. Ivana, where's your own? Ivana, go and show me your own. Where's your own? Ivana, let me see. Is it heavy? Leave it if it's heavy. Ivana, leave it.
What can I look from that?
Merry Christmas, everyone. How are you enjoying your Christmas?
Even halfway up.
Me, we are going to our friend's place. They invited us for a Christmas dinner. We've not eaten, obviously, so we are planning to go there and finish everything on that table. But yeah, we are going out at least. Not staying home during this Christmas period. I just finished my shift this morning and I slept for like 3 hours, and yeah, I'm still going for a shift tonight. But let's go out at least and have some fun with friends. So yeah, say hi guys. Hi, Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Can we see you, Jidena? Yeah, and Ivana. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Ciao, how are you spending your Christmas? I want to know, how did you spend your Christmas? Did you go out? Did you spend it indoors? How were you spending your? We're here now. I like this my look coat.
I think you should be leaving your hair. It makes you don't understand. It makes you so much younger.
Younger, yeah.
It makes you so much younger.
Guys, it's time to eat though. Let me go and eat and get ready for my shift. It's a good thing I'm working in the hospital tonight. So that's my friend Jenny. Have you guys seen her? That's the host. Yeah. Why am I the only one that like eating out? I like eating in somebody's house. I prefer to eat somebody's food than my food. The one way that I cook for house, no, they sweet from my mouth.
2,000 years later.
Opening your present. Bring Ivana's own out, it's heavy. Oh yeah, keep it. Open, yeah. Wow.
Flying squirrels. Feeding.
Whoa.
Wow.
What?
Dada, mommy, thank you.
Thank God.
Mommy and daddy, thank you. Daddy, thank you.
Thank God.
Let me see what.